this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Undertale multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and play Undertale with 2 players. So there is a mod known as Undertale Together which allows you to do multiplayer. There is another game that is currently in development called Undertale Multiplayer, which is a fan game, but that one is not released yet. So if you want to play multiplayer right now, this mod is going to be your best option. So look for Undertale Together on Google and you will arrive at this page on ModDB. In here, click on the download option and you will be able to choose between Undertale Together Nexo or Undertale Together Standard. Nexo will add some additional battle systems and new challenges, so choose whichever one you prefer. I chose Undertale Together Standard just to demonstrate how to install it, but the process is going to be essentially the same for both. If you want a video or another video to follow along, you can click on this online option and they will give you the controls here. For player 1, you move with the arrows, you press enter to interact and shift to cancel. For player 2, it is going to be WASD, Z and X to move, interact and cancel respectively. So with all of this in mind, just download the file, and once you download it, you will receive a zip file. Extract all of its contents and run the executable that looks like this. Undertale Together by Deepa. So the first time that you run the installer, you will see this and all of the instructions here. This installer will help you patch your existing Undertale copy. So you will need a copy of Undertale on Steam, so it needs to be a legitimate copy. And it will not work for versions besides this one here, anything lower than version 1.08. So give it a little bit of time, choose next, and it will be installed. It's as simple as clicking next, choosing your copy of Undertale and waiting. If you want to revert the mod, right-click the game on Steam and then verify the integrity of the game files. And then remove the data.win.bu from the Undertale folder. With this done, the next time that you open the game, you will be able to set up 2-player gameplay. Now, if you want to do 2 players online using this mod, then you will need to use some form of remote play. So you can try to trick Steam into enabling Steam Remote Play, or you can use something like Radmin or Hamachi to connect with your friends. This mod expects that you and a friend will be able to share the same screen to play together, so keep that in mind. If you want to do it online, you need alternative methods. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Undertale multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.